On November 30th, 2022, OpenAI released ChatGPT 3.5, a model fine-tuned for dialogue and trained to produce text. ChatGPT was one of the most successful and impressive product releases ever, so sensational that some called it scary good. Naturally, this brought in many first adopters. Over 1 million people created an account in just 1 week and started using the algorithm. It didn't take long for 1 million users to become 100 million. By January, in less than 2 months, ChatGPT had reached that figure, making it the fastest-growing consumer application in history. It took TikTok 9 months to reach that many registrations. But why is everyone so hyped up about ChatGPT? What's the reason behind this explosive growth? The answer is straightforward. The product is incredible. As soon as people began interacting with ChatGPT, they realized it can help them in their daily work. Everyone can use a powerful AI tool capable of summarizing text, generating responses to highly technical questions, and assisting with any technical task. Whether a student or a working professional, this software can benefit you. The release of ChatGPT 4.0 showed the tremendous leap between different versions of generative pre-trained transformer models. Some of the tasks GPT 3.5 struggled with or provided mediocre answers for were solved impressively by GPT 4.0. This will likely be the case with every subsequent version in the future. Gen AI is here to stay. So in this part of the course, we want to study the nuts and bolts that led to ChatGPT's creation, how it all started, and which technical principles led to the creation of large language models. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.